In this video, I'll detail how to fix Apple Watch Series 9 strap or band. So this is your new Apple Watch, and here you'll learn how you can easily fit in the strap or the Apple Watch band. This works on all Apple Watches. So here I'm going to show you the quick techniques that will help you to fit in or fix the Apple Watch strap. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is this. First, you may remove the strap or leave it like this. Then there is a metal here. Locate the metal. Then this metal will have to fix down like this. Then slide it in through the hole. Then once it keys, you should hear a beep in form of key. Then again, repeat the process on the second end like this, and then key in. Then that is it. So that is how you can easily fix your Apple Watch strap. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.